Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So today is the moment where we have to take a look at the higher time frame. So usually we talk about daily and intraday charts, but right now this is a situation where we have to take a look at the weekly time frame and consider some support areas, more extended downside targets, and make the decision what to do next. On the monthly chart, situation barely has changed. So yes, market is showing downside action here, but mostly June, as you can see, the inside one. Month to the May stands inside of it, and actually all this performance stands inside this flag consolidation. And currently this performance doesn't break the bullish context. So market is still calling around the top, standing in a tight range. This is always the bullish sign, especially when it is forming, flag after the strong upward action. So from that standpoint, we do not have some really bearish context here, so mostly everything stands normal for the bulls. But since here we have really wide swings, so from the 74 down to 60, and it might be even lower, so this is really significant changes, more than the 10% of the fluctuations around this area. So this is really important for lower time frames. Currently, if you take a look at the weekly chart, you could see that the double repo pattern that we were talking about take more and more shape, becoming more clear. And it's with this downward action, we've got the confirmation last week, as I said, this double repo, and we decided to keep an eye on the reverse hand and shoulders on the daily chart, because this is, as we said many times, the key for the next direction. The failure of this pattern suggests downside continuation, breaking below these lows, and most probable that we will see market around 50 even, at least, so maybe even lower. If market will be able to stay here, upward action could happen, and we could get the breakout of the 74 previous top. Based on the recent performance that we have, it seems that the bears have more chances to succeed, although the context in the bullish pattern has not been broken yet totally on the daily chart, But at the same time, we'll take a look at the weekly picture. You could see that last week we've got tail close, so market has closed right at the lows of the week, which is also bearish sign. Next support stands around 60.26, so it's most probable that market is coming to this level. And I suggest that this is actually the last chance for the bulls to do something to save the setup that now exists here. Because if you take on the daily chart, I already do not like this performance, because when you're dealing with the bullish reversal pattern, you would like to see more bullish activity here. And now market is breaking even the downside XOP target. So normally bullish market completes some downside extension, forming bullish pattern and start upward action. Here, yes, we could say that market has tested it just today, so maybe it needs a bit more time, so we could see maybe something will change. In general, you consider that the CD leg is not really fast, but at the same time, this attempt to break the XOP, it's a bit worrying sign for the bulls. Take a look at around 60 area. We have the strong confidence support. It already has been tested once when the market has shown this downside action, where this head, it already has been, as you can see, significantly broken here. So right there. And also this is, well, let's call it as absolute lows of the left shoulder. So from that standpoint of view, we could say that yes, maybe theoretical chance exists until the 60 even. This pattern nominally, at least nominally, will be valid. Downside breakout, once again, this clearly will be the sign of the failure. But at the same time, in the current circumstances, until I will not get the clear bullish patterns on the intraday charts, I do not want to take the long position. just because, as I said, this performance is not normal. It's not good for bullish reversal pattern. Besides, if we take a look at the lower time frames on the 4 time frame chart, channel that we have discussed last time still valid. Market has exceeded here the first XOP that has been formed here. Now I have to change the downside target with this, increase the extension, and now XOP will be around 1634. So it creates an agreement with the same support area 6026 that we have on a weekly chart, and the same area, the confidence area, on a daily. So let's try to see what will happen around this level, because actually, if you take a look at the hourly chart, recall how we discussed the potential reversal here, how theoretically Bitcoin market could turn to the upside direction with the daily pattern. First, we said it might be the hand and shoulders, but if it will not be formed, let's keep watching for a possible free drive. Here was the third drive around 6360. This was great points to start upward action with the pattern in place, but pattern has failed, shown just minor 30% pullback. As you know, the target of the free drive has to be above the stop, and collapsed once again. This is bad sign. So when the bullish patterns that are potentially prepared by the market but they are not working, this is a sign of weakness, and that's why I'm a bit skeptical on perspective of this pattern as well. Although nominally it's still valid and nominally it still could work, and that's the reason why personally I think the chances on the downside breakout right now looks better, more probable, and this is the reason why I do not want to take the long position by far. So bulls, I suppose, should keep an eye on this target around 60 even. Market retest confluence, complete downside XOP on the 4 time frame chart, and watch for pattern around 60 even. If on the intraday charts you will not get any bullish patterns, market just keep dropping, it's clear sign that we are going below the 55 area. Most probable that we are coming to the next support around 50-52. So that in 2 words what we have on the Bitcoin.